Hello people, I hope you're all having a very nice day. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 3 different ways you can improve the ACOS of any of your Amazon KDP ads today. So people, if you are new here, then I want to extend my warmest welcome to you. My name is Ben and I like to bring out videos like this one on my self-publishing journey and all the hints, tips and tricks that follow. So if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe and also be sure to join my Facebook group, especially if you're serious about self-publishing. The link is in the description below. There's over 1,300 of us now. It's a really nice community. We've all got the same goal, finding success through publishing. And of course, if you haven't done so already, then do check out the Royalty Accelerator, especially if you're serious about growing your self-publishing business. There's a lot of top tier knowledge in here. It's a top tier community and there's a lot of success as well. Look at all these testimonials with 4-figure months just being strewn across, especially now in Q4. So I couldn't recommend it enough, and now is never a better time. So if you click on the link in the description below, there should be 25% off this course. But without further ado guys, let's jump straight into this video. So people, here it is, 3 ways to improve your ads ACOS quickly. Now I'm going to be going through quite a lot of information in quite a short amount of time, so if you don't get everything on the first watch, then don't worry, feel free to go back and rewatch until you understand it. So number 1 is placements. Now placements is going to be there when you click on any of your advertisements on your advertising console. You're going to get taken to the ads group window, but if you go to the left here and you scroll down to placements, this is generally the window you're going to see. So you're going to see 3 different placement types with 3 different ACOSs. Now you can clearly see here that the overall ACOS for the advertisement is 16%, which is really good. Like, this is an ad you can just leave, and if it stays at 16%, this is just going to be forever profitable for you. But if you actually break it down into placements, this ad can actually still be optimized, because what you see here is that top of the search is actually doing most of the legwork of this advertisement. The product pages and the rest of the search, with 26 and 51% ACOS respectively, aren't doing so well. So ignoring this bid adjustment for a little bit, if this was all 0 bid adjustment and these were the ACOSs, then what you want to do, because it's such a big difference, is increase the bid adjustment to 100%. Now this is going to open the floodgates. This is going to show your book in the top of the search and a lot of other keywords, and that's really what you want, especially when the ACOS is so low for it. And as a result, what you'll see is the click-through rate here is a lot higher for top of search than product pages and the rest of the search, so it really just makes sense. But on the converse, if product pages is doing better for you, so hypothetically, if the top of the search had a 26% ACOS and product pages had 8% ACOS, then increase the bid adjustment of product pages to 100%. It's not exclusive to top of search. So whichever one's got the lowest ACOS, increase the bid adjustment for, and do be sure to monitor it as well. If it's sending the ACOS up, so it's making the ACOS worse, then you can reduce the bid adjustment down to 50% or in increments of your choosing. So that's placements for you. So number 2 now is going to be targets. Now targets here, this is for an automatic ad, so you're gonna have to click on the ad, and then from ad groups you're gonna have to click on your actual ads. So it's going to take you through to another window, and then on the left hand side, it's not shown in this screenshot, but you'll see targeting. And for an automatic ad, this is what it should look like. So you've got 4 different targeting types, and again you've got 4 different ACOSs. So again you can see that overall ads ACOS here at 17%, which again is very, very good. But if you dive deeper into it, you can see that number 3 here, which is the close match, is really not doing so well compared to the top 2. So the top one will be substitution, loose targeting, close targeting, and complementary targeting. The complementary one, for some reason, is not doing anything, so we're just going to leave that. There's not much we can do. It's not spending anything, so it doesn't matter. But this one here, number 3, is giving us an ACOS of 36%, so it's really lagging behind the first 2 here, which is 15 and 19% ACOS. So what we're going to do in this case is adjust the bid according to the ACOS. Very simply, we just want to reduce this bid amount, typically by 50%. So we can take that 12 cents down to say 8 cents, and then we'll just see what happens there. Hopefully that ACOS will reduce, but if not, it won't move anywhere because 8 cents might not be enough for that ad to show up anywhere, so it's just going to stay at 36%. But in the best case scenario, it will drop that ACOS and drop your overall ACOS for the ads. So this is another way to do it. And of course, if it's a manual ad rather than automatic ad, then you'll see a long list of products, categories, keywords, whatever you have decided to target. So again, if you get this long list, you're going to get ACOS for every keyword, every product in that list, and you can literally just filter through the highest ACOSs and just lower the bid by 50% again. If it just gets to a point where it's just consuming too much, and you can turn it off, as you've seen in this example here. This one's got a 77% ACOS, $24 spent, and the one beneath it spent $5 without making any sales, so I turned that one off as well. But essentially this has got too high of an ACOS. I reduced the bid, it was still spending with a high ACOS, so I just decided to turn it off. So that's how I reacted to this one. This ad originally as well was 10 cents, so you can see that most of them are at 10 cents. The top three and the bottom one are at 10 cents. But these ones have already been reacted to by reducing the bid as they're spending too much or their ACOS is too high. So adjust your bid according to the ACOS. If the ACOS is really low and the suggested bid is higher than what you're bidding at the moment, feel free to increase the bid by 50%. So take 10 cents up to 15 cents if your ACOS is really low and the suggested bid is higher. So that's that's targeting for manual ads. Number 3 now is search terms. So if we scroll down here, you're gonna, instead of clicking on targeting, go to search terms. And search terms is going to give you yet another window with another set of ACOSs, and very, very easily you can see that some of the ACOSs are going to be higher than the others. If one ACOS is not doing the legwork, then you can add it easily to negative targeting by clicking actions on the left hand side and putting it in negative targeting. You can see this top one here is spent $10 and it's got ACOS of 60%, and that's unacceptable, so I'm going to put that in negative targeting. The one below is what spent $8 without giving me any sales, so I'm going to put that search term into negative targeting because people are clicking on it but they're not buying it, so it's not what they're looking for. So that's the premise with search terms here. So that's pretty much the 3 ways you can improve your ACOS summarized. Of course, this does require a little bit of work. So if you're happy with the ACOS, if it's profitable, then feel free to leave it at the same time. This is just if you're looking to improve your ACOS. Maybe it's a really good selling book, but it's at like 40% ACOS and you want it down to a target of 25%, then this will be super helpful for you. So yeah, having said that, I hope you've got something from this video. If you do like it, give it a thumbs up, share it around, do drop a comment, and thank you for watching it as well. Feel free to rewatch it if I went too fast and everything. But yeah guys, thanks again for watching. Take it easy. I'll see you all in the next video.